Nepal's royalist Rashtriya Prajatantra Party is intensifying its demand for a new political framework that includes reinstating the monarchy. As frustration grows over political instability, the party is gearing up for a major protest in Kathmandu later this month.
Nepal's royalist, the Rashtriya Prajatantra Party, has announced proposal to develop a new political system as it prepares to launch capital-centric protest from third week of this month. Staging a show of power in capital Kathmandu on Tuesday, attended by hundreds, the right-wing pro-monarchist party's president Rajendra Lingden proposed a new system that also will accommodate the monarchy. The RPP, since its inception in 1990, has supported the idea of a Hindu state and the kingship, as interdependent in the tiny nation buffered between two giants, India and China. Political instability has rocked Nepal, with 14 governments since the abolition of the monarchy in 2008, hampering economic growth and discouraging investment.
अब देश यही रहन सक्दैन देशलाई अगाडि जानै छ तर यही बाटोबाट देश अगाडि जान सक्दैन त्यसकारण देशलाई एउटा नयाँ समझदारीको आवश्यकता छ र त्यसको लागि शान्तिपूर्ण ढंगले सबै राजनीतिक शक्तिहरू अटाउने गरी सबै राजनीतिक शक्तिहरूको सहमतिमा एउटा नयाँ समझदारी गरौं.
Public frustration has risen over the failure of successive governments to deliver on commitments to develop the economy of the country, a natural buffer between Asian giants China and India.
So from after 10 days, all the people's movement will be capital-centric. People from all over the country will be coming to the capital, and there are different ways of protest. We will be installed in the ring road area. So there are lots of strategic plans that we have made just to put a pressure on the government. And what we just want after this is that, the government needs to call for a new agreement. We want a fresh agreement where all the stakeholders, including the political parties and the king, should be within it.
Nepal's 239-year-old monarchy was abolished in 2008 by a specially elected assembly as part of a deal with Maoist former rebels, ending an insurgency that killed 17,000 people between 1996 and 2006. The last king, 77-year-old Gyanendra, lives as a commoner with his family in a private house in Kathmandu.
ओली सरकारको दमनको विरुद्धमा र राष्ट्र संस्था पुनर्स्थापना गर्नको लागि हामी जनताहरु सबै मिलेर चाहिँ एउटा सौहार्द वातावरणमा चाहिँ देशलाई कुनै क्षति नगरिकन जोस राजनीतिक दलहरु वार्तामा आएर चाहिँ राजालाई पनि कुनै स्थान दिनुपर्छ. अहिले हामीले हेर्यौं राष्ट्र संस्था सकिसकेपछि यो विगत 20-22 वर्ष बितिसक्यो. त्यसमा पनि हामी जस्तो आम युवाहरु भनेको खाडी मुलुक जानु बाहेक अरु केही विकल्प रहेन. यो देशमा हामीहरु जस्तो युवाहरु पढे लेखेको शिक्षित अथवा यहाँ केही गरेर खाउन त भन्ने युवाहरुलाई आफ्नै परिवारसँग बसेर केही व्यवसाय गरौं भन्नेलाई वातावरण सिर्जना भएन र त्यसको विरुद्धमा आवाज उठाउनको लागि हामी सडकमा